The VEVOR hydraulic motorcycle lift jack is an essential tool for anyone serious about motorcycle maintenance. With a remarkable weight-bearing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds, this lift jack can easily support a wide range of vehicles, including motorcycles, ATVs, and UTVs. Whether you're working on a standard motorcycle, a touring bike, or a cruiser, this jack provides the stability and support needed to perform maintenance tasks safely. What sets this lift jack apart is its user-friendly hydraulic system. Equipped with a long handle and a press pedal, it allows you to lift your motorcycle effortlessly. The hydraulic pump delivers a smooth lifting range from 4.7 to 15 inches, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The 3-position safety pin and non-slip rubber platform add an extra layer of security, ensuring your vehicle remains stable during repairs. Mobility is another key feature, with 2 universal and 2 directional casters allowing you to position the lift precisely where you need it. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant steel, this lift jack is built to last, offering durability and reliability for years to come. With the VEVOR hydraulic motorcycle lift jack, maintaining your motorcycle has never been easier or more efficient.